How to fix internet not working after disconnecting macOS from IPVanish VPN connection. The problem: there is a rare case where your internet may stop working after disconnecting from IPVanish and closing the app if you have the kill switch enabled in your IPVanish app settings. The solution: this issue has been corrected and will be implemented in the next update to the IPVanish macOS app coming later in 2020. Until the new update is released, you can quickly re-establish your internet connectivity by doing the following below. 1. Click on the in the top left of your Mac screen, choosing the System Preferences menu option and then click the network icon as shown below. 2. Select your Wi-Fi adapter listed in the menu on the left, make sure your network name matches your Wi-Fi network name and then click the Advanced button as shown below. 3. Select the TCP/IP tab at the top of the window that appears, set the Configure IPv4 option to using DHCP, set the Configure IPv6 to automatically and click OK. 4. Click the Apply button to commit the changes as shown below. If your internet connectivity issues continue after completing the steps above, please contact IPVanish support team.